This is Mahesh. In this session, we are going to continue the examples of time, speed, distance. Okay, let's get started. The first question is: an ambulance starts from the hospital to the accident zone, takes the injured from the accident spot to the hospital, moving at a speed of 40 km per hour and 60 km per hour respectively. Find the average speed. So we know that average speed is nothing but total distance divided by total time. So here they haven't given you the distance and all. So they have given you only two speeds. What you will do? We know that harmonic mean. To find harmonic mean, what is the formula? You know the formula? You have to take it down the formula. So formula is average speed when speeds alone given. So 2ab by a plus b. A is the first speed and b is the second speed. So find out. So what you will get? 2ab. Here 2 into a is 40 and b is 60. So 40 plus 60. So answer 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 100. I am cancelling this with 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 6, 48 kilometer per hour. So this is the formula. When you substitute in the formula, you will get the answer directly. If you don't know the formula, what you have to do? So you know that the ambulance starts from the hospital to accident spot and the accident spot to hospital in the speed of 40 km per hour and 60 km per hour. First, if you don't know the formula means, just follow this. So this is hospital and then this accident spot. So while going, he is going at 40 km per hour and returning 60 km per hour. So which means, so you have to find the distance. How will you find distance if two values are given? So there are two values. You have to take LCM to find the distance. 40 and 60. What is the LCM? So take 20 outside. You will get 2, 3. Is there any common between 2 and 3? No. 20 into 2, 40. 40 into 3, 120. LCM is 120. I am going to assume 120 is the distance between hospital to accident zone. So while going 120, while returning 120. So totally 240 kilometers. Okay. While going, what is the time taken? So he is going at 40 km per hour. What is the time taken? 40 km per hour means 120 km in 3 hours. So while going 3 hours, while returning 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour, 120 km in how many hours? 2 hours. So answer is 2. So cancelling this, you will get 240 by 5, which is nothing but 48 km per hour. So distance is 120. This is nothing but we are finding LCM to assume a fixed distance. So which is 120 kilometer. Done. That's all. Let's move on to the next question. An aeroplane flies along the four sides of a spire at the speeds of 200, 400, 600 and 800 km per hour. Find the average speed of the plane around the field. So it is a spire field. So which means four sides are there. Four sides are equal. Am I right? Done. At the same time, he is going at first 200 km per hour, second side 400 and third side 600 and the final side 800 km per hour. We have four speeds alone. We don't have distance. We don't have time taken to find out the average speed. We have speeds alone means we have to use harmonic mean. Even the harmonic mean formula, if you don't know, means directly what you have to do, you have to find the LCM of given values. Find the LCM of given values. What are the values given? 200, 400, 600 and 800. If you find the LCM of these four values, you will get an answer. That is, I am going to fix one side's length. Okay, done. So take common thing outside. 200 is common in all. So 1 times of 200, 2 times of 200, 3 times of 200, 4 times of 200. Is there anything common again? 2 is there. 1, 1, 3 and 2. So is there any other common? No. So 200 into 2, 400, 400 into 3, 1200, 1200 into 2, 2400. LCM is 2400, which means each side is 2400 kilometer, I am assuming. So which means how many sides are there? What is the total distance? 4 sides are there. 4 sides, 2400, 2400, 2400 plus 2400. So first side at the speed of, what is the speed of this first side? First side at the speed of 200 km per hour. 200 km per hour means every hour he covers 200 km. How many hours he will take to cover 2400 km? So 2400 divided by 200, you will get 12 hours. So first one 12 hours. Second one, so 400 km per hour. 2400 divided by 400, what you will get? 6. So 6 hours plus 2400 in the speed of 600. How many times of 600 is there in 2400? 4 times. Next, 2400 in 800 km per hour. So how many 800s are there in 2400? So 3 times. That's all. So total distance we have and total time taken we have. Find the average speed. Average speed is equal. So total 9600 kilometer in 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 3 25 hours. Cancelling this you will get the answer. Cancel this, what you will get? So 25. How many times of 25 is there in 96? 3 times. 3 times of 25 is 75. What is the remaining? 21. In 210 you have 8. 8 times of, because remainder is 21. 21 0 you will get 210. In 210 how many times of 25 is there? 8 times, and the remaining 10. 10 plus 0 0, so 4. So answer is 100 divided by 25 4. So answer is 384 kilometer per hour. You don't need to know the formula of harmonic mean for 4 values. At the same time, if you find the LCM, that is the one side's value. So I found LCM 2400, which is one side's value. If you add all the 4 sides, the total distance is 9600, and then the time taken for each side will vary because the speed of each side is different. So you will get the average speed as 384 km per hour. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question is, Sathish traveled from his house to college at the rate of 25 km per hour and walked back at the rate of 4 km per hour. If the whole journey took 5 hours 48 minutes, find the distance of the college from his house. So we have 2 speeds and total time taken to cover those 2 distances. So here you have to take it down. The distance between house and college is what you have to figure out. Sathish is the person who is traveling from his house to college. While going, what is his speed? 25 km per hour. While going, while returning 4 km per hour. What is the speed ratio? Speed ratio is, so you cannot cancel anything. Up and down speed ratio is, you cannot cancel anything. 25:4. What is time ratio? Time ratio is inverse of this. 4 is 25. We have the value total time taken. What is total time taken here? 5 hours 48 minutes. What is 5 hours 48 minutes into minutes? 5 hours is 300 minutes plus 48, 348 minutes. So this is x. If you take this as x, then total 29x is equal 348 minutes. I am going to find either one of these. So either 25x or 4x to find the distance between college. Because while going, if you know the distance between house to college while going, it is equal to while coming back. Okay, either one you can find. I am going to find 4x now. So unknown known. 29x is 348 minutes and 4x is what minutes? So unknown is 4x and known is 29x, which is 348. So 29x, which is 348. Cancel this, you will get the answer for 4x, which is nothing but time taken while going. So cancelling this, so you can cancel with 29. 1 times of 29 in 34, and the remaining 5 in 58. There are 2 times. Totally 4 into 12, 48 minutes. So he takes 48 minutes while going from house to college and returning with 300 minutes. Okay, which is nothing but the remaining time is for returning, right? So 48 minutes at the speed of 25 km per hour. I know that in 60 minutes he could cover 25 km. That is what 25 km per hour. In 48 minutes, how many kilometers he covered? If you find, that's the answer. Again, you have to use unknown node. So I know that 48 is what I have to figure out. 48 minutes. In 48 minutes, while going, how many kilometers he covers? So 48 minutes I need to find. I know 60 minute value, which is 25. Cancel this, you will get the answer. So how many times of 12 is 48? 4 times. Here 5 times. Cancelling this, you will get 5. So totally 4 into 5, 20 km. The distance between the college and his house is 20 km. Sathish covers 20 km while going with speed of 25 km per hour and while coming with speed of 4 km per hour. That's all. Let's move on to the last question. Salem and Chennai are 390 km apart. Raj starts from Salem at 10 a.m. and travels towards Chennai at 65 km per hour. Kumar starts from Chennai at 11 a.m. and travel towards Salem at 35 km per hour. At what time do they meet? So do they meet? Definitely they will meet because both are going in opposite direction. They will definitely meet. So the given one, first take down the given one. So Salem, Chennai, 2 places. So this is 390 km apart. Done. Next one, what is the thing? First Raj starts at 10 a.m. from Salem towards Chennai at the speed of 65 km per hour. The person who goes is Raj. Okay. Here at 11 a.m. person Kumar starts and running towards Salem with 35 km per hour. That's it. So you have these values in the question. So what do you have to do? So 10 a.m. towards Chennai and 11 a.m. towards Salem. First, until 11 a.m. Raj might have covered 65 km. Am I right? So what is the distance covered in 1 hour? 65 km. So 65 km covered by Raj in 1 hour. And then remaining, what is the total kilometer here? 390 minus 65, you will get 325 kilometers. So together they will cover 325 kilometers in what time is what we have to find, because together at 11 a.m. they are both starting towards each other, which means opposite direction. You have to add the speeds. What is the speed? Speed of Raj is 65 km per hour. Speed of Kumar is 35 km per hour. When you add these two, 100 km per hour. 100 km in 1 hour. How many kilometers they have to cover to meet? 325 km. 325 km in how many hours? So cancelling this unknown node, you will get the answer. Unknown is 325. Unknown is 100, which is 1 hour. So divided by 100 itself, you will get the answer. So divided by 100 into 1 hour, which is nothing but 3.25 hours, which is nothing but 3 hour 1 by 4 hours. 3 1 by 4 hours. At 11 a.m. they are together starting after 3 hours and 15 minutes. 1 by 4 hours is nothing but 15 minutes. After 3 hours 15 minutes they will meet. Okay, after from 11 to 3 hours 15 minutes is nothing but 2:15 p.m. So they will meet at 2:15 p.m. So that's all the example of